Hello everybody, it's Phil from Lost Weekends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about an Isabella canopy for the side of your caravan. Now, we have an awning, as I'm sure you've seen in previous videos, but to be honest with you, when it's really hot, you don't feel like using your awning, and sitting in it when it's hot, it's like sitting in an oven. So while we were on our previous site and we were sat down relaxing, we noticed a few caravanners had canopies. So we had a look around and did a bit of research, and we decided to opt for the Isabella Shadow, which is behind us. Now, it's about 200 quid, but this isn't a product review. It's just to explain why we chose to buy one of these when we already had an awning. And the simple fact is it's a lot easier to fit, it's very quick to put up, and to be honest with you, you can use it as and when you want. It's very flexible, but also you can then use your awning as well, so it's not attached permanently to the side of your caravan. So I'll show you a few little bits and bats about it and see what you think. So this is the Isabella Shadow canopy. So this particular canopy is a 360, and it has 3 fiberglass poles. They look a little bit like carbon fibre, but I think they are fiberglass. It also comes with 3 very sturdy guy ropes and wooden toggles for the guys. It also comes with a set of pegs as well, so that you can peg it down. And I'm quite impressed. I mean, to be honest, I've not used the pegs that they sent with it because they're plastic. I much prefer the rock pegs, so I've used rock pegs because the ground's really hard. And it simply slips into your awning as a canopy, and it has 3 eyelets at the end, and you pop the poles in there, adjust your poles to the height and length you want, and then peg it down. And it's that simple. I think it took me 5 minutes to put up. So it's made of canvas, it's not made of nylon, and I think it's a really good product. So there you have it, folks. That's the Isabella canopy. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please click up here and subscribe, and if you've already subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell button so you can keep up with our regular updates. Well, we'll see you soon for some more videos, but in the meantime, see you now. Bye bye.